that? Wow.
A few moments later.
And welcome sa Avida Towers. Say hi! Yan, ito kami ngayon sa may Avida Towers. And we will be staying here for 5 days for our staycation. Wow! So, this is a very nice place. Air-conditioned siya. And we're in the second floor. We're just waiting for my husband kasi nag-parking siya. So, this room is very nice. And we will be staying here for 5 days and 4 nights. So, napakaganda ng place. It's cozy. Hindi siya ganun kalakihan. But enough for us. Kasi family lang naman kami. With, of course, Kuya and Papa na nagpa-parking ngayon. And, wow! Ang ganda ng place. Say, do you like it? The preparation is so nice. And napakabait din ng aming agent na si Joel as an Islao. Shout out kay Sir Joel. Thank you so much for allowing us to stay here in this room. And yan, so wow, pag silip mo sa bintana, it's overlooking the pool. Look at the pool, Sia. There's the pool. Whoa, what's that?
A pool.
A pool. And what's that? There's a playground. Wow. It's very hot outside actually. Napakainit ang panahon ngayon. So, ang ganda. Yan, di siya sobrang malaki, but not too spacious, but very, ano na siya, comfortable for us. Yan. So, later, dadalhin pa yung isang foam so that we can stay here together as a family. Yan. Sia, are you excited?
Excited?
Yes! Say yes! Yee! Wow! What are you doing? Wow! This is very nice. So, ayan, no, meron na tayong rice cooker, may heater, andyan na lahat ng mga kailangan natin, actually. And then, there's pan. Ito, may lutuan naman pala dito. Okay, so tamang-tama, no? Kasi not just because na nag-staycation, kailangan gumastos ng marami. So, I brought some foods, mga pagkain na kakainin namin for this, for the next few days. Yan. And syempre marami kaming surprises this week kasi marami kaming itinerary, hindi lang dito sa Avida. But syempre, staycation here in Avida Towers is really superb. For sure, it's gonna be a very nice experience for all of us. Yes. And Saya is also enjoying. Wow, are you happy? You like it?
I have this.
You're happy. Wow. What's this? What's here? We have a package here. What's a single service? Package 1, 1/6 package 2. Oh. And then we have here yung directory nila. This is directory. Yes, we have a complimentary amenity kit, towels, and yan. Yan, nakarating na ang asawa ko. Ayun, nag-park na siya. So, nakapag-park ka na. Yes. So, pitpit niya pa ang aming McCafe. Galing kami sa McDonald's kanina. And yan. So, today, our plan is just to rest. Yan. In preparation para sa aming magiging activity bukas.
75 pesos whole night.
By the way, hindi rin pala pwedeng maligo sa araw na ito because every Monday, maintenance day daw ng kanilang pool.